team would have me.
A team of heroes.
Oh my goodness. Are you from the Justice League? I always wanted to join the Justice League.
Well,
Superman, Batman, Wonder Woman, Flash. Those guys are awesome. Where do I sign up?
this
You're
isn't-
about to make all my dreams come true.
It's not the
Justice League, baby.
Actually-
Grandma, the Justice League wants me to join. Yeah, the Justice League.
It's not the Justice League!
Oh, I'll call you back later, Grandma.
It's a new team for new heroes. A fresh start. Think about it. Gonna need a wild card. Beast Boy.